my book, my favorite blanket, and I would make these little tents in my room, or I'd like lay down in my closet. I would read for the entire afternoon with like the sound of the rain in the background. It's just so soothing. I really do love this kind of weather.
You say you're the only one for me, yeah. So if you love me, then tell me how much longer do I have to wait? I'm not getting any stronger. I'm losing my faith, and I could be wrong, but I swear it's true. Yeah, even if the world gives up on us, I won't give up on you.
You want it for everything. I'm taking my time thinking, just so I'm sure what we do.
I made like the perfect crispy egg. Let me show you. I'm so proud of it. I feel like it's my baby. I figured it out because of Doobie Doobap. She's a cook on YouTube and she's always using eggs in her food, and she makes the perfect crispy egg, and I've never figured out how to do it until I started watching her videos, and I've been practicing and it just came out so cute. So I'm really proud of it. But after this, I want to do laundry because this section of the couch looks really nice, but the other section of the couch looks as bad as I do. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Once I'm done with the laundry, I really want to focus on cleaning up the rest of the house, studying a little bit, and planning for next week. I really want to just restart, refresh, and then do a little self-care. I haven't done a face mask in a while. It's really good to continue to work hard, continue to keep your goals in focus, but it's also important to sometimes stop and smell the roses, take care of yourself, and just enjoy a nice rainy day. So that's the plan for today. After this delicious breakfast, of course. When I was a kid, I used to love doing the laundry, and I figured out why. It's just such a nice, mindless thing. Something you don't have to think about, something you have control over. I like to do this when I'm overwhelmed too. Like, I like to take a moment, clean my house, and not have to think about anything for a moment. So I think that's also why I kind of consider cleaning the house self-care too. It just gives me a chance to take a break from all of my responsibilities. I don't have to think about studying. I don't have to think about anything but what I'm looking at right now. I know a lot of people don't consider cleaning self-care, but for me personally, I feel like it is. So whenever you are planning a self-care day, make sure you just do things that make you feel good, make you feel relaxed and easygoing, easy-minded. So that's just a little tip for me, randomly. Don't know why I thought about it, but I wanted to make sure you guys knew that yes, I'm still kind of technically working, but it's relaxing to me, so I feel good about it. Laundry's done, coffee's made. I made pumpkin spice. I know what I'm saying. I'm not ashamed to like pumpkin spice in the freaking fall. So yes, I made myself a pumpkin spice coffee. It is the 1st of October. This is my right here, people. It is still raining outside, but don't you worry, I am not gonna watch Hocus Pocus 2, snuggle up and get some popcorn, get a glass of wine, and put a face mask on. I'm not gonna do that. We are going to earn that. My heart is telling me Hocus Pocus, but you guys are telling me to do the shorts. So, you see where my loyalties lie. I feel like for that, you should like and subscribe because I could be watching Hocus Pocus right now. Just saying, I don't make the rules. I don't make the rules. Shorts are done. I'm so proud of myself. We're gonna get ourselves a little pat on the back here. The last thing that I have to do is my hair, just because I don't like starting the week without doing my hair mask, and I'm gonna get braids soon, so I really wanna make sure my hair is moisturized, my hair is taken care of, and then next weekend I'm gonna get my braids. I'm so excited. When I'm done doing my hair today, I can finally relax. Like, I'll finally earn my self-care time, and I'm very excited about that because Hocus Pocus 2 came out. The first one used to come on Disney Channel every single year. year, like religiously. I'm so excited they finally made a second one. I've heard like mixed things about it, so I want to see if it's actually good. I'm gonna get my hair done now and we'll come back for self-care time. Hair is clean, I am washed and ready to go. I may or may not have listened to Christmas music while I was in the shower. Listen, it's October, no one can tell me anything anymore, and I may or may not make hot chocolate later. And people are always like, why do you skip Halloween and, you know, not celebrate it? And I do, like I try to watch, what was it? What's that Halloween / Christmas movie? The Nightmare Before Halloween or something? What is that called? Christmas Before Halloween? That doesn't sound right. Nightmare Before Christmas. There we go. I always watch all of those movies. I love those movies, but I don't like scary movies. Like, the world is scary enough. Why would I go out of my way to not be able to sleep at night? So I don't watch scary movies, but Christmas is just so happy and everyone is just so happy. I love the cold weather. Truly, I do. I love snow and just the idea, like, when I was younger, Christmas was such a big deal. And not even just getting the gifts, it was putting up the tree, playing outside in the snow, hanging out with my brothers, making cookies. Like, some of my happiest memories come from that time of year. So I always just get so excited when it's coming. So I'm gonna do this now and then we can finally relax. I have a real love-hate relationship with this process because on one hand, it's helped my hair grow so much and I'm so grateful for it. And on another, it takes so long and sometimes I don't feel like doing it. But isn't that life? That's literally every responsibility I've ever had, so can't complain. Hair is done, but I forgot I need to make my bed and there's a few snacks I want to get from the grocery store. So we still have a few things before we can relax. So let's get it over with now. The only time I hate my bed is when I have to make it. But I like clean sheets, so I'm always doing this. Okay, I'm really ready to watch Hocus Pocus. I'm kind of over being productive. I'm ready to just relax. So let's try to do this quickly and head to the store and get what I need and come back for that face mask. I'm already breathing heavy. I work out and yet here I am sounding like a 80-year-old man. Why, God? Ugh. All right, almost done, kind of, not really. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And now that is the finished product. Ta-da! Let's get out of here. I'm like so excited. Okay, I've got everything. I hope it's good. This is like my childhood and I cannot wait. Okay. Let's get comfortable. Tuck yourself in. Gotta love self-care. And we earned it. Man. I am ready